Last day in paradise. Day 15 of my vacation and last day of it on this 27th of December 2024. The main Christmas holidays are over, but we continue to look forward to a new year that will be in 4 days. And I am here in Karon Beach for one last time for this vacation. Who knows if I'm gonna come back here or not soon, but I'm gonna be chilling here for 3 to 4 hours before I head to the airport, as I have a flight to catch at 6:45 p.m. later today. Now it is 11:30, so there's still plenty of time to enjoy the maximum of the last day. Even though I'm still putting myself in the shadow most of the time when I'm not swimming, because the sun is very dangerous as it is. And I'm in my favorite spot here at Karon Beach that is not crowded at all. And there's very less people in the water compared to the more crowded areas where there are a lot of sunbaths. It has been quite the amazing vacation, this one. I didn't imagine that it would be this good, especially when you travel solo like I do. But there are things to do and stuff to explore, and if you are experienced in a solo traveler, you can find the best activities you want to do and also find time to relax as well. Uh, so yeah, let's jump in and enjoy the beautiful beach here and the beautiful sea for one of the last few times. As probably this will be the last episode, as the later the coming few hours I'm gonna be enjoying myself uh, in tranquility on the beach. So this is the last episode for today and for this vacation actually. 27th of December today, as I mentioned. Now let's, yes, you can see my suitcase here, that I'm ready for my departure. I could have left the suitcase at the hotel, but then I would have needed to go back and forth to the hotel to get it, and then to take the airport bus that runs on this road right next to the beach. So it was convenient to come to the beach with the suitcase. And it's not so tough to carry actually when it has wheels, right? And the sun is here with me on the last day of the vacation, and you can see the beach is almost empty at this spot, which I really love, to find my own inner peace right here. This is maybe that is empty this because they do some water sports here, but those are being done mainly in the evening when it's getting a bit darker. Now it's like 2 o'clock, it's also for them to do the water sports. There is paragliding and jet ski or something. So there are activities you can do. I have never had the urge to do one of those things, but maybe soon, or maybe on my next vacation. So what a blast it has been to explore Thailand, mostly Phuket. Maybe next time I will go to Krabi, another popular resort town with hotels for tourists. But yeah, there are also very nice beaches in the Krabi area as well, same as here. Here I have visited one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, including the Maya Beach, that you have already seen an episode on the channel. I went on 2 boat tours and explored very beautiful beach spots on the islands here nearby, including Fifi Island, Coral Island, Raya Island, and more. What else should I tell you for this last episode of Karon Beach and Phuket? Yeah, I had a great time here indeed, so let's just enjoy the last swim here to the maximum. So let's go! The water is amazing. It is 29 degrees Celsius in the water, and in the air currently it is 30 degrees Celsius, which is quite nice and super warm. We have some sun, but it is hiding a bit slightly behind the clouds, so it's not fully sun. But there was plenty of sunshine during my vacation. I was first worried when I saw the forecast. It says rain all of the time, but then it turns out that it was sunny all the time. It has barely rained. It's only, I think, the first 2 days it was raining. Yes, when I arrived it was raining, but after that it was no rain, despite the forecast saying thunderstorms. So yeah, that